Well, welcome back, everyone. On the heels of an incredible Wealth 365 summit last week, including presentations on Saturday, both Rob and I would like to congratulate all of the new wealth charters that have joined us for the Wealth Charts Advantage. We took the tools that you heard Rob tirelessly and in a very excited way teach you how to employ. You saw his great trading last week, and we got to employ those tools in market today live in the Active Trader Room. Members of the Active Trader Room got to see me take advantage of the champion trend pack of indications to gross around $1,125 today on long side trading, aligned with the signals that we had in market coming from last Friday, and of course continuing forward in today's trade. Now, we are in a marketplace that did make a fairly decent move higher in today's market and is coming up close to areas of resistance. But let's go in and focus in on all of those signals that allowed me to take some long side trades today and do some live trading in front of members of the Active Trader Room. And again, past performance is not indicative of future results. I can't guarantee that I will do that every day. But again, using technical signals appropriately helped me make confident trading decisions today. So I'm going to take you over to my live charts right now, and you can get to see, there's the dome that I was showing you on the slide, and the area that I was interested in long side trading this market morning with the signals that we got, of course. Now again, for those that have joined us and taken advantage of Rob's offer, you got to see me take on long side trades live with my real money account. Again, past performance is not indicative of future, but I was able to take confident long side trades, and I want to show you on a 5-minute chart over here on the SPY. I was trading the ES in particular. I've got the SPY up here because I know that a lot of it is very relatable to folks in the room, but this is in and around the area where just shortly after the cash hours open, between 9:40 a.m. and 9:45 a.m. You can see it on the 5-minute chart. You can also see it on the 1-minute chart. We had price action coming from last Friday, dipping into the champion cross zone, which is the dark area that's green over here, bouncing back up and breaking above negative momentum shifts to end the day last Friday, opening up above the champion trend zone, testing the zone effectively, and seeing a range breaker signal and a breakout forecaster signal, along with Rob's IRB strategies, push the market up, followed by another breakout forecaster. Now, in that space, effectively from 9:40 to 9:45, if you take a look at the 1-minute chart, you can see that around 9:40, right there, you got that range breaker. You got a dip into the champion cross, which is that darker green zone, and you got prices pushing up. The next candle was a bit of a pause, slight down. Candle after that bounced back up off the zone, and then we got the breakout forecaster kicking in. So the opportunity to enter, re-enter, potentially even add, continued to present itself, and the indications just came out beautifully as we saw the breakout forecaster continue to fire off on that 1-minute chart, taking the SPY effectively from roughly $396 all the way up to $398 and about 30 pennies. Now, that entire area was made for some great long side trading. And of course, you did see my dome. I traded with one contract today, test out the signals and show folks how the signals worked and teach them how I was using it with my real live money account. And again, past performance is not indicative of future results. But again, I did take those trades live in front of folks. Now, I want to take you back to the area where we were speaking about back on Saturday during the Wealth 365 Summit. The daily chart with the champion cross gave us that edge. And these are Wealth Chart member exclusive indicators. Let me repeat that. The Wealth Charts Advantage. And that's why I'm congratulating all of you new Wealth Charters out there. You've got the Wealth Charts Advantage. You've got the champion trend pack. You've got everything that I've got on the screen available to you. And of course, you get to see me put it to work live in the Active Trader Room. if you took Rob's excellent offer last week to join up and get time with me in the live active trader room. Now, as you can see over here at the very hard right edge, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit over here. And what you can see at the very hard right edge is Friday's candle right there, the daily chart candle on January the 20th, dipped below the green champion cross zone and ripped right back to close above it. What did that indicate? Well, it indicated longs on Friday, but it also indicated likely follow through on Monday. And that's what you heard both Rob and I talk a little bit about during our Saturday presentations, especially in those after hour presentations where you got to see me put the pieces together for you with all of the indications. And today you got to see me, for those that were in the active trader room, use those indications to trade live. Now, when we're looking at a market that had the signal, has got the follow through, the question that many are going to have now is what's next? Well, this is an earnings week of paramount importance. You've got stocks like Microsoft announcing earnings after the bell tomorrow. You've got Tesla, you've got Apple in the days following, Wednesday and Thursday respectively. So this is a week to take good care, because we are in a market that is tradable, as you can see, with intraday trades, but on a swing basis, we could see some disruptions based on how extended we get, with one of the earners coming out and providing a very positive result, or one coming out and providing a negative result. So I take you to a chart that has key pivot levels for the SPY on your screen, and we ended the day today with the SPY at about $400.52. So just underneath that next key pivot line. Now, mind you, we perforated this pivot line during the day today, so we've got a path paved for it, but the very top of the pivot range ain't very far away from where we are right now. So using the technical tools that are part of the WealthCharts advantage, you have the ability to look at the market and say, hey, it's got some upside potential on the daily chart. It's got some upside potential on the 4-hour chart, but we are coming close into a resistive structure. Now, that resistive structure is anywhere between $403 up to about $408 on the SPY. Now, in the following hours and days, we've got to be cautious about whether that can be broken or not. But generally, if we're seeing the market take out a roughly 404, we are then in a spot where we've got some room to rise according to the weekly chart, and that rise could be significant. Now, if the market comes down and breaks back down below roughly the 395 area, we would be coming down to bounce into the champion cross zone again, and we'd evaluate that with members to see if a dip and bounce is likely. Now, Rob's been contacted by some folks in the industry that he's super excited about on the heels of an incredible Wealth 365 summit. So he's actually going to be traveling and putting out videos as he can during the week, but I'm hopeful that this video today has helped you see how putting some of the pieces together, where those excellent entry signals provided themselves, right up on the screen, making it readily available for us to identify entries, which folks got to see me trade live in front of them during today's market. And it was a lovely little run up, as you can see. Now, as we ended the day, to give you some insight on the Champion Trend Pack, you can see that we had a negative divergence present, and we saw the market weaken after that, coming down below the trend channel. Now, on a 5-minute chart, that just shows a pause. We take that back to a hourly chart, a 4-hour chart, and a daily chart. We maintain that positivity, but we also acknowledge, using the spike tool at the bottom of the screen, that we are in an extended state where the potential for a modest rise remains, with less duration available to continue rising. So a good week to take good care of positions, especially with FANG stock earnings presenting as early as tomorrow after the bell. And I'm looking forward to sharing insights with you just like these and more in videos in the upcoming days. I hope you enjoyed this one. Looking very much forward to seeing you at the next video. Have an incredible trading day. And again, a very big congratulations to all of you that have now got the WealthCharts advantage with that Champion Trend Pack of indications. Rob's decades of experience put to work live in the market today did work for me. Can't guarantee that that's going to happen every single day, but sure as heck going to try to continue to put some numbers up and give you insight and education on the market along that journey. Have a wonderful rest of your trading day, and have an incredible trading day tomorrow. Looking forward to seeing you in videos just like these in the very near future. Bye for now.